So the next question is Java substring comparisons. So here we are on the string Java strings. So here they are giving input a string, and this is the number, means length of the substring that we have to find. Okay, so then we have to make the all possible combinations with this length 3, like that. Here in explanation they have said that these are the possible words, possible substrings that we can make, and these are all lexicographically ordered, means ascending, means like dictionary type A, C, E, like that. And what we have to print, we have to print the smallest and largest number, means alphabetically lexicographically starting word and ending word in that all possible conditions. So here what they have given we will see. So this is the prototype that they have given, smallest, largest. Here they are passing the string yes and the k is the length of the substring that we are going to find. So here also we are getting yes and k. So we will now start. So first of all we will take another variable, string str is equal to, we want this first string. Which first string? I want this first string wel. So for getting that string I will write yes dot substring, and I want to start from 0 and end. Where is my end? My end is k means the length of that number 3. If we write there 3, then we will get 0 1 2, means we will get well. So we are getting here, I will write it in comment well. So now I will copy this str that I have taken well. I am copying that into smallest and largest number. I am assigning smallest to that str and largest to that str, means this well. I am assigning both of this with str. Now I want to check all the substrings, means now we have taken wel, then now I have to take elc, then again lco, then again com, and I will go and compare with all the strings, and I will maintain smallest and largest number. So for finding this all substrings like elc, lco, then again com, we have to iterate a loop. So we will now iterate a loop for int I is equal to, I will remain this thing, I is less than. Okay, so this is important part, from where we want to start and from where we have to end. So as we have taken wel, so we don't want to consider this first thing. So we are iterating from here elc, means we want this substring first that we want to compare. So we have to iterate for elc. So here I will start it from 1, means we are starting as 0 position is w. So we are not going to consider wel, we are going to consider from e, that's why we are taking I is equal to 1. And where to end, means if we get the substrings like now we will see in first elc, then lco, then last we will get this substring ava. After that we will not get a substring with length 3, because there are only 2 characters va. So we have to iterate till this ava, means till this a. So here I have to write the condition I is less than is equal to yes dot length, okay, sorry, length minus k. If my k is now 3, then our length is this total length minus 3, then it will iterate till here. So in that condition, so we are iterating till this. Now we are writing our condition I plus plus. So now we are taking the substrings in a variable, not in, I will not take again new variable, I will assign that str with the substring that is coming. Okay, so in this str, s dot substring, substring. Now how we can find, means we want ELC. Now our I is 1 plus k. So here we have to write, where is our for loop? So here we have to start from our I and we have to end to I plus k. Then it will take like ELC. Then in next iteration it will take LCO. Then it will take COM. Like that it will iterate and take that string in this str variable. So now we are getting the substrings. Now we have to compare this substring with the smallest and largest, and if it is small than the str that we are setted here, then we have to change. So here we will write now, if str dot compare to, now we want to compare to method. This is the compare to method for comparing. Now we are going to compare with smallest. If str dot compare to smallest is less than 0, then we are going to assign our smallest with this str. Okay, and again the condition for largest. So if str dot compare to largest is greater than 0, then we are going to assign largest is equal to str. So that's why here we are just checking, means it is smallest or greatest, then we are assigning with that variables smallest and largest, like that, and that's it. Now we will run the code. I think it should run, because okay, semicolon is missing. Okay, sorry. So here the semicolon is missing, where? Here. Okay, so sorry. Now I think it should run fine. Yeah, so that was the thing. So here we find it out, like, means we have compared, means we have setted first of all the substring in two variables. Now then we checked every substring and we setted the smallest and largest string, and lastly we have completed. So thank you guys.